Amber. Thank you so much for joining me on my channel today. I'm so glad that you're here because today is going to be such a quick and fun project, and I'm really excited to share it with you. I hope that you're all doing well. I'm just enjoying this cozy Sunday. It's very drizzly outside here where I live in Arizona, and the clouds are just kind of making it nice and gloomy and overcast. So I'm just kind of cozied up in the house. I got my coffee and I've just been doing some crafting. So I hope that you enjoy this project. I really had fun making it. So I'm working again with the Paige Evans Go the Scenic Route paper, and I absolutely love it. I made some cute little books in one of my last videos. I'll link it right here if you missed it. So this paper collection also came with the cards, and I don't know if you guys get these cards, but I love getting these cards. And here's all the designs. You get cards and envelopes. I believe there's 40 in here. And I wanted a project to use these cards. So a big thank you to Skillshare for sponsoring today. More about them later on in the video. So I was completely inspired to make this by another YouTuber, and she is amazing. Her name is Johanna, and I'm sure a lot of you know her. I love her channel, and she did something very similar to this for, I think, her Christmas series a few years ago. So I'm going to link her channel below because she's absolutely incredible. She does amazing junk journals and a lot of other stuff. But this project was definitely inspired by Johanna. Okay, so I'm going to try to keep this video tutorial short and sweet, and so let's get right into it. This is what I'm going to be making today, and it's a card holder, and I also put some little tags that look like this in there. So I just tied it with this cute ribbon that I got at Michael's. It's right here. I love it. It's like a mint green color with these green stars. I love that. I love the pattern on pattern look. I'm really into that style. So again, this is going to be super simple. Let me show you what this looks like. I just put this little tag and I cut this out of the paper. So you just undo the ribbon, and it is attached to the back. It's underneath this piece of paper. This is what it looks like. It's just a cute little kind of stationery or card holder. So in this big pocket over here, I put 5 cards from that box. So these are 5 cards that go with the paper collection, and then 5 envelopes. I think that's such a cute use for this. So in this cute little skinny pocket over here, I wanted to put some stuff too. So I made a bunch of tags out of the scraps of the paper. And they're super cute. And just plain on the back because it's single-sided paper. So I just stuck those in here just like this. And that was so much fun to make, and they went super fast. So I'm going to show you how I did all of this. It was really easy, and then it just closes up like that, and then you can tie it back in a really cute bow. And then your cute little tag will just hang off right there. Okay, so let's get started on this simple tutorial. So I'm using all single-sided scrapbook paper from that Paige Evans paper pad, and I absolutely love this because those cards coordinate with all the paper, and it's so cute. So to make one of these cute card holders, you're going to need a piece of scrapbook paper that measures 8 by 12, 8 by 4, 5 7/8 by 7 7/8, 1 7/8 by 7 7/8, and 3 7/8 by 7 7/8. And then just several of your scraps make into little tags, and so I cut these down to 3 3/4 by 2. And I just did 8 of them, and I'm going to make 8 tags, 7 to go inside, and then 1 to hang off like this one here on the front. So I have my 8 by 12 sheet in my scoreboard on the 12-inch side. So here's the 12 inches here, and you're just going to score in at 2 inches. and at 6 inches. So now you're just going to fold on your score lines. So you're going to fold on the 2-inch score line and on that 6-inch score line. So you can see this forming already into the cute little card holder. So the next thing you do is grab your sheet that measures 8 by 4. And I like to do a little notch right here because this is going to be your pocket. So I have this 1.5-inch circle punch, and I'm just going to eyeball the center on my sheet here and go about 2/3 of the way down and punch a little pull notch. You're going to line this up perfectly with this edge of the card holder and glue this down on these 3 sides. Add a thin bead to these 3 sides. And just press it down. So this makes your cute little pocket for the cards. Next we have this little pocket over here, and I'm just going to glue down this side, and it's going to form into a pocket. So just do a thin bead right down that edge and that one, and let it dry. Okay, so while that's drying, I'm going to take my strip that measures 1 7/8 by 7 7/8, and I'm going to add some adhesive. And this is going to go to mat this white pocket. I love that little skinny pocket. So we're basically almost done, but now this front needs to be matted as well. So you're going to grab your 3 7/8 by 7 7/8 piece, and it's going to go right here to mat that front cover. And our little card holders coming together. It's super cute. I love the patterns together. And now we need to cover the back, but before that, I want to lay the ribbon down. So I have approximately like 32 inches of ribbon here, and I'm just gonna eyeball this so I can center it on here. And I'm just gonna add some ATG, 1 strip along the center. And then I'm going to grab my mat piece here, and this one measures 5 7/8 by 7 7/8, and I'm just going to glue it down. So now we have our really cute ribbon closure here. So now we're going to fill this up with 5 cards and 5 envelopes. Skillshare is an online learning community with thousands of classes taught by experts designed for people who are wanting to fuel their creativity or just better themselves on a very small budget. I absolutely adore Skillshare, and I think that if you've been subscribed to my channel that you already know this. You can take classes and workshops taught by these experts on just about any subject you can think of, and you can work at your own pace. I recently took a class that was so inspiring. It's this one here, and I'm going to have this linked below. This is all about self-love and self-care in such an interesting way. She is so amazing. So if you're into stuff like this, I really recommend this class, or just go over to Skillshare, check out anything that you want to brush up skills on, or just something to fuel your curiosity. So great news, the first 1,000 people to click the link in my description below will earn a free trial of Skillshare Premium, which gives you unlimited access to all these amazing workshops and classes. And if you don't get the free premium, or if you want to continue your subscription, it's just under $10 a month, which is super, super affordable. Showing, but you know that there's envelopes underneath there. Okay, so for this side, you have some options. You can put like a book of stamps in there for your friend, or just some maybe notebook paper, like a little notepad. But I'm going to put in some tags. So I cut down a bunch of the scraps of the paper down to 3 3/4 by 2. And I'm going to use my favorite punch right here. And this is a tag topper punch. I believe it's retired, but you can get similar ones like at Hobby Lobby and Michael's and stuff. So I'm just going to go ahead and punch 8 tags. I think they look so cute in that pocket. And now we can close this up and tie our ribbon. So there's our adorable closure. And the last thing I'm going to do is take the last tag, and I just like to trim a little bit off the bottom. I'm going to take some of this twine. Well, actually, it's embroidery floss. That'll work. Just a little tiny snip of that, and then that way we can tie this around. I really love how our card holder turned out. It is so cute. So now I have 2 of them here, and these make really beautiful gifts. And you can put anything you want in the pockets. It doesn't have to be cards, but a great idea is to make your own cards and stick them in there and make handmade envelopes. You could do so much with this paper. It's a great way to use up a lot of scrapbook paper as well. And here's the back of ours. I think it's so cute. Let's open ours up and see what it looks like. Ribbon closure. And here is our beautiful card and stationery set. This is perfect for a swap or to cheer up a crafty friend or just to give as a gift, maybe for Mother's Day or Easter. I love it. So we've got 5 cards and 5 envelopes, 7 tags, and this cute little holder. I hope you enjoyed the video, everybody. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you're having a great day, and I will see you in my next video very soon. Bye!